Hey gamers! What if I told you your LG Smart TV just became an Xbox? That's right, Microsoft just dropped a game changer. The Xbox app is now live on LG Smart TVs, bringing Xbox Cloud Gaming to your living room. No console needed. Stick around for the scoop on how this is leveling up gaming for everyone, especially casual players. Let's dive in. Today we're talking about the hottest gaming news blowing up the internet. Microsoft announced on April 2025 that Xbox Cloud Gaming is now available on select LG Smart TVs via the Xbox app. If you got a Game Pass Ultimate subscription, you're in for a treat. Let's break it down. So what does this mean? If you own an LG Smart TV, specifically 2022 OLEDs, 2023 models, or newer with WebOS 24 or 25, you can now download the Xbox app from the LG Gaming portal, pair with a Bluetooth controller like an Xbox or PlayStation DualSense, and boom, you're streaming hundreds of games. No Xbox console required. We're talking AAA titles like STARFIELD, Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and upcoming releases like Avowed, all at your fingertips. Plus, you can even stream select games you already own, like NBA 2K25 or Hogwarts Legacy. This is huge for casual gamers who want high-quality gaming. Now, why is this trending? It's all about accessibility. Xbox Cloud Gaming on LG TVs is a game changer for casual gamers who just want to jump in and play. No downloads, no storage issues, just a solid internet connection and a Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Sources are raving about how this makes gaming effortless, with posts on X calling it the future of gaming. STARFIELD, Bethesda's galaxy-sized RPG, is a perfect example. Stream it in 1080p, explore 1,000 planets, and skip the hefty console or PC setup. It's plug-and-play gaming at its finest. Are you ready to try it? Here's a quick guide. Check your LG TV model. 2022 or newer should work. Head to the LG Gaming portal, download the Xbox app, and sign in with your Microsoft account. Grab a Bluetooth controller and make sure your internet's at least 20 Mbps, wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi for the smoothest experience. Fire up Game Pass Ultimate and start streaming. Here's a pro tip. Test Starfield for that epic space vibe or Oblivion Remastered for nostalgic RPG fix. One catch, there might be slight input lag in fast-paced games, so competitive gamers, stick to your consoles for now. But for casual play, this is a dream come true. Microsoft is pushing hard with their This is an Xbox campaign, and LG is the latest win. Samsung's TV got the Xbox app in 2022, Amazon Fire TV in 2024, and now LG's joining the party. This isn't just about gaming, it's about making Xbox a lifestyle. You don't need a box under your TV. Your TV is the Xbox. So, what are you waiting for? If you've got an LG Smart TV, it's time to level up your gaming. Download the Xbox app, grab a Game Pass Ultimate trial, and start exploring, and drop a comment below. Have you tried Xbox Cloud Gaming yet? Hit that like button if you're hyped. Subscribe for more gaming updates.